Excellencies, I just want to make a couple of comments because President Ashraf Ghani mentioned Pakistan's negative role in this conflict going on in Afghanistan. President Ghani, let me just say that the country that is going to be most affected by turmoil in Afghanistan is Pakistan. Pakistan suffered 70,000 people dead, 70,000 casualties in the last 15 years. The last thing Pakistan wants is more conflict. Our economy is finally recovering from one of the most difficult phases which we've been through. And I repeat, the last thing we want is turbulence in Afghanistan. I can assure you that no country has tried harder to get Taliban on the dialogue table than Pakistan. We have made every effort, short of taking military action against Taliban in Pakistan, we have made every effort to get them on the dialogue table and to have a peaceful settlement there. To blame Pakistan for what is going on in Afghanistan, I feel is extremely unfair. I came to Kabul. Why would I come to Kabul if I was not interested in peace? The whole idea was that you should have looked upon Pakistan as a partner in peace. And I feel really disappointed that we have been blamed for what is going on in Afghanistan. What is happening in Afghanistan is over 2 decades of conflict, deep divisions, and unfortunately, the United States seeking a military solution when there was not one. When there were 150,000 troops, NATO troops in Afghanistan, the greatest military machine, that was the time to ask the Taliban to come on the table. Why were the Taliban going to compromise when the exit date was given and there were only a few thousand American troops left? Why would they listen to us when they are sensing victory? So I assure you again, we had a long conversation I had with President Shaukat last night, how all the neighbors can help Tajikistan, Pakistan, Uzbekistan, how we can all get together and somehow help the peace process and a political settlement. Because it is in all of our interests, all the neighbors are interested that there should be a peace settlement.